Amatikkira gano agayimiridde ku Serena Hotel mu Kampala gakulembeddwamu Princess Zahara Aga Khan. Wabaddewo akasiriikiriro ak'enjawulo okujjukira obulamu bw'omugenzi Highness Aga Khan eyatandika ettendekero lino. Princess Zahara Aga Khan mu kwogera kwe atenderezza omugenzi olw'omusingi gwe yasima okutandikawo ettendekero lino.
This year's convocation is especially meaningful as we honor the legacy of our founding chancellor's visionary leadership, unwavering support, and great love for this university and its people.
Princess Zahara ategeezezza nga kitaawe bwe yalabira ewala nti okusoma mpagi sseddugge mu kukyusa obulamu bw'abantu.
Education is the cornerstone and the key to improving quality of life. My father invested in quality education at all levels, from early childhood development to post-secondary studies. Not one, but 2 universities.
Bw'atyo yeebazizza abatikkiddwa olw'ekkula lye batuuseeko naawe obweyamo nga bwe bagenda okwongera okutambuza omukululo gw'omugenzi gwe yaleka.
It brings me much happiness that my brother, His Highness Prince Rahim Aga Khan, in accordance with my father's wishes and the founding charter of AKU, has become Chancellor. Therefore, on behalf of our new Chancellor and the Board of Trustees, I extend our heartfelt congratulations to the members of the class of 2024.
Princess Zahara ategeezezza nga buli matikkira ge batuukako buba buwanguzi ng'ettendekero okuggusa ebiruubirirwa byabwe.
Each convocation provides us an opportunity to recommit to the vision of AKU and the wider mission to improve quality of life and build a more peaceful, pluralist and prosperous world.
Abatikkiddwa abakalaatidde okukozesa ebyo ebibasomeseddwa mu ngeri eneegasa eggwanga.
I see agents of change, empathetic leaders, innovators, critical thinkers. I see an impressive cadre of professionals whose knowledge and skills the world so urgently requires. I see women and men who can navigate the complexity of the global landscape, individuals equipped.
Yamyuka akulira ettendekero lino Sulaiman Sahabuddin naye agasse eddoboozi lye ku lya Princess Zahara okusima emirimu gy'omugenzi Highness Aga Khan IV n'ategeeza nti ensi yafiirwa omuntu atazzikawo.
People's capacities and advance our development, in particular of Asia and Africa. While we reflect on this tremendous loss, we warmly appreciate the tributes to His Highness from leaders, partners and friends from far and wide.
Abatikkiddwa ono ategeezezza nga bwe babalinamu essuubi eddene kuba babanguddwa mu ngeri enaayamba okuleeta enkyukakyuka mu bulamu bw'abantu.
They will deliver healthcare of outstanding quality and compassion to those in need, provide leadership in clinics, hospitals, schools, media organizations and civil society, expand the boundaries of global knowledge and develop innovative, contextually relevant solutions to widespread problems.
Abatikkiddwa batubuulidde bye basomye n'okunoonyereza kwe bakoze.
A Master's in Digital Journalism at the Agakhan University Graduate School of Media and Communications. I analyzed factors contributing to women leaving newsrooms in Uganda. And for me, I was looking at both the rural woman and the urban woman who is in the media. And I found out that the challenges that the urban women face in the media are quite different from the challenges that rural women are facing.
The research about the experiences of first prime mothers who were scissored on their first pregnancy. What we were looking at, we wanted to know their experiences. How do they feel? Because it is in every mother to, like when she's having her first pregnancy, she's expecting to deliver normally.
Abayizi 125 be batikkiddwa okuva mu masomo ag'enjawulo ku mitendera gya masters, degree ne diploma. Andrew Kagwa, Agafeeyo, Spark TV.